guys, so I am up early. Excuse how I look, but this is what it is today. I'm doing some biscuits. Okay, these are my biscuits. Okay, I'm about to put them in the pan. Trying to cook early today. Listen, I don't like it. I thought they supposed to be like, I don't know. I keep adding flour because I don't like the stickiness. Like, I don't like it. Where's my... The biscuits are done. I'm about to try it. I got a container full. And they're pretty good. It's gonna be even better with the Meatloaf. So I'll be back. I gotta go to work. They call me in. So I'm finna go to... Alright guys, I am back. I'm running around. I put my meatloaf in the oven. My grandbaby still asleep, thank God. So let's get back to the cookies. I made chocolate chip cookies for dessert. I got meatloaf. I made homemade biscuits. I'm making some mashed potatoes. And I am making some type of vegetable. I don't know what, but something. I don't have any green beans. I would love some green beans, but I don't have any. So I'm just making some cookies. I don't want too big. Okay. We're gonna finish these cookies. I'm gonna put them in, and then I'm gonna turn. Matter of fact, them started. Done. I'm about to take them off. Listen. Okay. So y'all see these cookies? Honey. Chocolate chip. Pecans. And Heath bar pieces. Okay? That's what these cookies are. You know? Ooh, it's got my whole kitchen smelling so good. I done made biscuits. I I done made biscuits, I done made cookies, meatloaf, mashed potatoes, veggies, and I am about to make some tea. So yeah, I'm gonna take me a hot shower after. Container. Let's try one, guys. Put the lid on here. Nice and soft. Let's try one. Cheers. Look, so soft. Oh, gosh. So I gotta put some in here, some in the container. I wash this jar out. And I'm just layering my cookies. As many will fit in here. Alright guys, I am about to make his plate, and we are going to start with mixed veggies. A lot of veggies. Mashed potatoes, nice buttery mashed potatoes, Okay. Ooh, this right here is gonna be awesome. Let's cook this. Ooh, it's still hot as ever. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Get him 2 nice pieces. Yes. Okay. That is dinner, guys. Let me get him 2 of these homemade biscuits. Oh, it looks so good. Let me get a good shot of the food. Oh, it looks so good. I can't wait to eat. Now, let's get